In this video, you'll learn about the purpose of parameters, how they help control geometry and also metadata. The different types of parameters are also investigated along with typical use cases in a project. Parameters are used to control the dimensional and visual characteristics of each family and are also used to store types of metadata such as materials, specifications and identity data. There are 4 types of parameters that can be used in Revit. These are family parameters, shared parameters, project parameters, and global parameters. However, the most common type of parameter found in families are family parameters and shared parameters. Family parameters are used to control the dimensional and visual aspects of a family. They can also store values such as manufacturer data or perhaps values to control the marking and numbering of instances within a project. You can create any number of family parameters to describe and define your family. Shared parameters can be used in multiple families and additionally can be scheduled, tagged, and exported to open database connectivity. For example, we may require a classification code to be used within a variety of Revit categories and elements. It is important to understand that shared parameters rely on an external text file, and this should be very carefully managed. It is possible to have a parameter with the same name but a different global unique identifier. This can cause problems within a project's environment and cause ambiguity. Project parameters are defined within the project and not in the family. A project parameter can be added to multiple categories simultaneously. The project parameters can be used in schedules. In the example shown here, a new project parameter for the warranty start date has been added. Notice that this parameter is instance-based so that the value can vary for each element. Also notice that the parameter has been assigned to multiple categories. Typically, project parameters are quick and easy to set up and can be used for a variety of different project deliverables. Global parameters are also defined within the project and not within the family. A global parameter can be used to control many elements simultaneously. You can control dimensional values as well as parameters such as materials. In the example shown here, 3 global parameters have been defined. The first parameter, named external paint finish, could control the materials on a number of different elements within a project. The other 2 global parameters are controlling key dimensions within a project. Without global parameters, a design change on materials or dimensions could involve changing a large number of elements manually. Global parameters can greatly increase the efficiency and consistency within a project. All parameters can have a type applied which controls the type of data that a parameter can store. Some typical examples are shown below: text, integer, length, yes or no, and a web address. The above examples are just a small selection of the parameter types available within Revit. This concludes this video on parameters.